Well, here we're looking at the Dow on the 60-minute chart, and we're coming toward the prior swing high around a very important level we talked about is 17,000. We could see it's having a little bit of trouble kind of just breaking over that. We only had a move of about 60 on the day, so not a huge move, but it's still reaching that 17,000 level. This is where you found some support, so now it's resistance here. And we really could, if we're going to start to see some trouble develop, it either happen right here or just slightly after the action. Every once in a while you get it right near the numbers, but a lot of times it's just slightly before or after. And we've had a pretty good extended move. It would not surprise me if we're going to start to see some weakness. It could start to set in, but we'll have to watch for the commitment over that 17,000 for sure. We started seeing some signs of that as we look closer here. Um, Toward the end, we could see this continuing to go lower on the histogram as prices continue to drive higher. And we'll watch very carefully here. Let's just go into a smaller time frame. Here on the 15-minute, you can see what I mean here. As prices continue to go higher, we're seeing that divergence as prices drive higher. We're seeing this kind of low. Now, this was what we had as far as some intraday action where, people were nervous about what the Fed was going to do, and everybody was relaxed and everybody's happy again. But, when you look at it in the longer scheme, it makes perfect sense where you're seeing these correction actions take place anyway. We are seeing this, I think, try to gasp a little higher, and would not surprise me if this starts to kind of slow down. But again, when you start to see prices going to new all-time highs, that's strong, and you have to respect that fact and understand that you could see some further action to the downside. I mean, I'm sorry, further action to the upside and minimal to the downside.